Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use this black Paracord 550, the gold Paracord Type I and the black Paracord also Type I. The length of each one you have on your screens. We're gonna use the Paracord JIG. Before we start, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe. Also, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet, I am wearing today the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards and the description box down below. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna take the ends of our black strand, pull them together to find the center. After we find the center, we're gonna create the simple snake knot. So we're gonna lock our loop here. So cross the left onto the right side, create a little bite or a loop like this, and then simply with the right side strand pass it under the strands all the way to the left side, and then return it from the top into that smaller loop we created on the right side. So from the top into the loop. And now we're gonna rearrange a little bit. Okay, this will be enough. So from here, we're gonna set this black Paracord 550 to our jig. Now we're gonna take, let me just unzoom a bit. We're gonna take our gold Paracord Type I and we're gonna pull the inner strands out, so we're gonna gut it. So when we created our bracelet core, we're gonna take our gutted gold strand, pull it by the ends, find the center of the strand and pass it or place it under the core strands. So this is the middle point of our strand or center point of our strand. Then we're gonna take the right side gold, wrap it around the right side core strand, like so. And we'll do the same with the left side. So I'll wrap it around and to the side. Now from here, we're gonna take our black strand, Paracord Type I, and we're gonna pull it by the ends to find the center of it as well. Now when we've done this, we're gonna place it on top, so the middle part, the center part of a strand on top of the core strands. So with the gold, we place it under the core strands, with the black we place it on top of the core strands, and then from here simply take the right side cord and pass it from the back through the middle and to the side, and do the same with the left side cord, so from the back through the middle and to the right side. Now from here we're gonna take the right side gold, cross it on top of the black strand and the core strands, then under the black strands and the core strands, and we're gonna return it from the back through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna take our left side gold, cross it onto the right. Now pull it under the black strand, under the core strands, and return it from the back through the loop on the left side. So from the back through the loop. The left side strand under the core strands and from the back through the middle. the right side strand also under and from the back through the middle. So we cross it, our black strands as well, once more from the back through. Then we're gonna take the right side gold, cross it on top of the strands, working ends and the core strands. Then from the left side under the strands and the core strands, and return it from the back through the loop on the right side. Do the same with the left side gold, so cross it to the right side on top of the strands and then under, and return it from the back through the loop on the left side. Now we're gonna tie this and proceed. So now for the finish, we're gonna take this side of the strand and pull it from the top into the loop, so we'll lock our weave. Now take the left side and also put it from the top into the loop on the left side. And we created the pretzel shape, as you can see. Now we're gonna simply cross our gold cords and we're gonna finish our pattern. So we're gonna lock like this. And on the end, we're gonna make the cobra knot. So take the right side strand, place it on top of the core strands around, with the left side strand under the core strands, and from the back through the loop on the right side. So from here we're gonna create our diamond top knot. So we're gonna take this right side strand and we created a little bite like so. Then we're gonna take this left side strand, pass it under this right side strand here, and we're gonna pull it from the top into the loop, under itself, and from the back through the loop. So from the top into the loop, under itself, and then from the back to the top, like so. So as you can see, we created a shape of a pretzel. Now from here, we're gonna take this left side strand and pass it close to this end here and return it from the back through the middle, like so. Now we're gonna take this side and pass it next to this end here, this strand, and from the back through the middle, as you can see. Now we're gonna tie this. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, see you soon, bye!